Created for the woman struggling to understand and accept the love of God due to past hurt, trauma, and disappointment, Be Loved encourages transparency and communication with God through prompts for writing letters to Him. With personal letters, scriptures, poetry, and motivational quotes, you'll find yourself saturated in His presence. Divided into 4 sections, this journal will ensure that you know God sees you, hears you, is with you, and has a plan for you. Don't allow past hurts to hold you back. Start your healing journey today with Be Loved.